Hi guys, Trying James 13 here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on something that just came in the mail not even 10 minutes ago or so. The Chicago Cubs wooden train. I just got this in the mail maybe like, I don't know, 10 minutes ago, and I opened it and I was shocked with what I saw. And I brought a couple pieces of Trek and Percy to compare it to him. So yeah. And if you didn't know, I'm a fan of the Chicago Cubs, which you probably didn't know because I never told you. Or, I don't know if you saw it in the background of any of my videos, I don't know. But it just came in today, and I just ordered it maybe like 2 or 3 days ago. And this is it. And this is the wrapping that it kept it safe in. I already put the box away, so yeah. Well, I'm going to be comparing it to Percy. They connect the same direction, so that's good. But I won't be using this train in my series. If you guys are wondering, well, probably not, because, yeah. It doesn't 100% like to roll along track, but rolls pretty good still. Not as good like Percy or engines like that. So, yeah. It's a Chicago Cubs there. It has a C on the front. That's number 1. Cubs. On the back it says Cubs. And focus. Trying to get this to focus. So you guys can read that. Oh yeah, that's upside down. That's who it's made by. So yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I bought this off eBay for maybe for like $10 or so. I don't remember exactly. But it's a pretty cool train. And it's in pretty good condition too. There's only a few scratches, mainly on the cab, and a few on the running board. But he's pretty cool. This engine is pretty cool. And they do connect, so let's see. And, oh wait, wait. The train somewhat connects up front, like this. Oh, not that way. Oh, Well, this is a very neat engine. Blue smoke box, red funnel, red running board, white boiler with blue stripes, blue cab with red roof. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like this engine. And comparing to Percy, wait, I'm just gonna get a better view of them. And this engine is taller. He's actually taller than my Bertram, which I didn't have the chassis for a Bertram because it went missing a few years ago. So I just got the Duke and I put him on there. Didn't know that, which you probably didn't. So yeah, his cab is actually taller than Bertram here. Well, if I put them on the track, let's see. Yep, just slightly taller. So yeah, that's my review on the Chicago Cubs train. So yeah. He's probably maybe sitting on my, on the TV stand in my living room probably, because my parents and my brothers are big fans of Chicago Cubs. So yeah, he'll probably be up there. So yeah, well that's all. James, you wanna do the outro? Let's let the new guy do it. I don't think you can talk. Of course I can. Oh, hello there. What's your name? My name? I don't have a name. Hi, give me an answer in Adventure 13. How about Cub? I guess I can work for now. Well, let's do the outro. Subscribe to Adventure 13. He's a pretty cool guy. Trying to get him to 60 subscribers. I think he's at 57 or 58 right now. Or maybe 56, I don't know. So yeah, subscribe to Adventure 13. And that is all. James Play Red Engine, do. James Play Red Engine, do. That's our James. Do. That's our James. Subscribe! Yeah, subscribe now! Yeah, subscribe. Subscribe so I will appear in the Adventure of Sodor. You'll never appear in that. What?